Tyrannosaurus rex, T-Rex, was one of the fiercest predators to roam the earth, known for its massive size, powerful jaws, and tiny arms. Despite its reputation as a fearsome hunter, T-Rex may have been more of a scavenger, relying on its incredible sense of smell to find carcasses. T-Rex had the strongest bite force of any land animal ever discovered, capable of crushing bone with ease. Scientists believe T-Rex may have been able to run as fast as 25 miles per hour, making it a formidable predator on the hunt. The name Tyrannosaurus rex means tyrant lizard king, reflecting its dominance over other creatures of its time. Yutyrannus, meaning feathered tyrant, was a relative of T-Rex that lived in what is now China during the early Cretaceous period. Unlike its famous cousin, Yutyrannus had feathers covering its body, making it one of the largest feathered dinosaurs known. Spinosaurus was one of the largest carnivorous dinosaurs to ever exist, surpassing even T-Rex in size. It had a long, crocodile-like snout filled with conical teeth, indicating that it likely fed on fish and other aquatic prey. Iguanacolossus was a plant-eating dinosaur that lived during the early Cretaceous period in what is now North America. It belonged to a group of dinosaurs called iguanodonts, which were known for their beak-like mouths and the ability to switch between walking on 2 or 4 legs. Cedarosaurus was a sauropod dinosaur, meaning it was a long-necked, long-tailed herbivore that walked on 4 legs. It lived during the late Jurassic period in what is now North America, making it one of the earliest known sauropods. Cedarosaurus likely spent much of its time grazing on ferns, cycads, and other plants, using its peg-like teeth to strip leaves from branches. Despite its immense size, Cedarosaurus would have faced threats from predators like Allosaurus and may have relied on its size and strength to defend itself. Giganotosaurus was a massive theropod dinosaur that lived in what is now Argentina during the late Cretaceous period. It was slightly larger than T-Rex, making it one of the largest carnivorous dinosaurs ever discovered. Spinosaurus was not just a land-dwelling dinosaur, but also a fantastic swimmer. With its long, crocodile-like snout and paddle-like feet, it ruled both land and water. Picture a dinosaur with a sail on its back. Spinosaurus had a sail made of long spines, possibly used for showing off to other dinosaurs or regulating its body temperature. Imagine a dinosaur that hunted underwater like a stealthy submarine. Spinosaurus likely hunted fish and other aquatic creatures, using its sharp teeth and powerful jaws to catch its prey. Armored dinosaurs were like walking tanks. With thick, bony plates and spikes covering their bodies, they were built for protection. Picture a dinosaur with a tail like a medieval mace. Some armored dinosaurs, like Ankylosaurus, had club-like tails they could swing at predators. Despite their tough exterior, armored dinosaurs were gentle giants. They spent their days munching on plants, using their beak-like mouths to strip leaves and branches. Acrocanthosaurus had a real fashion statement with its spiky back. Picture a dinosaur with rows of sharp spines running down its back like a dinosaur mohawk. Pterosaurs were the winged wonders of the dinosaur world. They were not actually dinosaurs, but flying reptiles, soaring through the skies with their bat-like wings. Imagine a creature with a wingspan as wide as a small airplane. Dolichorynchops might have been the surfer of the ancient seas. With its sleek body and long flippers, it glided through the water, riding the waves like a pro. Dunkleosteus was like the armored tank of the ancient oceans. With its thick, bony plates covering its head and body, it was virtually unstoppable. Imagine a prehistoric fish with jaws of steel, Leviathan. Leviathan was the ocean's answer to the mythical sea monster. Named after the biblical Leviathan, it was a massive predatory whale that ruled the seas during the Miocene era. Mosasaurus. Mosasaurus was the king of the late Cretaceous seas. With its long, streamlined body and powerful jaws, it dominated the oceans as one of the largest marine reptiles of its time. Imagine a dinosaur that could eat sharks for breakfast. Shark. Sharks have been swimming in the oceans for over 400 million years, making them some of the oldest and most successful predators on Earth. Picture a creature with a built-in radar system. Sharks have special cells in their snouts called ampullae of Lorenzini, which detect electrical signals given off by other animals, helping them locate prey even in murky waters. Despite their fierce reputation, sharks play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems by keeping populations of other marine animals in check. Spinosaurus. Spinosaurus was not just a land-dwelling dinosaur, but also a fantastic swimmer. With its long, crocodile-like snout and paddle-like feet, it ruled both land and water. Tylosaurus. Tylosaurus was the terror of the ancient seas. With its long, streamlined body and rows of sharp teeth, it was one of the largest and most formidable predators of the late Cretaceous oceans. Imagine a sea monster with a length of up to 50 feet. Tylosaurus was a true giant, capable of taking down prey its own size with its powerful jaws and lightning-fast speed. Scyphactinus. Scyphactinus was like the barracuda of the Cretaceous seas. With its sleek body and sharp teeth, it was a swift and agile predator, preying on smaller fish and marine creatures. Picture a fish with a mouth big enough to swallow its prey whole. These fascinating creatures from the ancient seas bring a sense of wonder and excitement to the world of paleontology, captivating imaginations with their incredible size, strength, and adaptations.